Here we have our decorative textured overlay that we've done. You can see there's some decent texture in there. Doing some watercolors for an acid stain look. Justin's doing highlighting here. Now this stuff all settles in these sprayers that you have, so you always have to re-agitate them and shake them up like that. So you go ahead and spray down this surface with the base color, which is sandstone. Yeah, spray it down, all pretty. Get that whole area covered. Want to make sure you get inside the expansion joint so some of the original color doesn't show through. He's going to get his highlight bottles here. Shake them up. Very nice. That's some sweet color. Look at that. Oh man, it's dirty. Yet so elegant. Oh man. Here we are, got the finished product here. Nice and shiny, pretty, acid stained. Love them. It's like a mirror, look, I don't think there's outlets on the ground. There's not. Oh yeah. Storage room. Bedroom, bathroom. Very nice, good, yeah.